Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha, and today is Transfer Tuesday. So I am excited because it's going to be another quick video, and I am putting $145 towards my student debt today because that's how much money I saved during March Madness money. And I'm sorry if the camera's shaking a little bit. And I'm also going to transfer $20 into our Vanguard IRA. So you guys are going to see that on the screen, and I'm going to walk through it. It should be really quickly, but let me know down in the comments. Did I say really quickly? It should be really quick. It should be easy. It should be simple. It should be fast. Let me know down in the comments what you're transferring for Transfer Tuesday. How much debt have you paid off? How much money have you thrown towards your IRA, or have you invested in the stock market? Let's celebrate each other. We're going to celebrate all of our wins over here, no matter if it's $20, $100, $1,000, no matter what it is, just stay consistent. So stay tuned.
Contribute to the IRA. The money is going to this IRA, and we're not putting anything for 2020. We're actually going to be putting money in from towards IRA. So we're going to add $20 for this year, and it's going to come from this checking account. Continue. I am accepting consent to electronic delivery of fund perspectives. I've read this already at the initial opening of this account, so I'm not going to read it now. So I accept that. And then you can see here the fund name is the Federal Money Market. This is the IRA. This is a 2021 individual contribution of $20. It's coming from this bank here, and I submit. It says, thank you. Your trade request was received. And we're done. So here, this is the March Madness Money Savings Challenge account that I set up. We have $145 here. So what I'm going to do is transfer this over to the checking account so I can make my payment. I want the money to be available right away. So I'm transferring from March Madness money to my general checking account, $145. The memo I'm adding is this is Transfer Tuesday Debt Snowball. That way I'll remember, because the date is going to show up in the transaction. Success. We are done, so I'll close this box here. And the money is now at zero. And I'm going to go to Great Lakes now, and we're going to make a payment. And the payment that we are making is $145 on Tuesday, March 30th. And then I always choose this box. I'd like to review and allocate my excess payment while scheduling my payment. I want to make sure all of this is going toward the loan I need it to go to, which is loan 825. So continue. Now this screen is the excess payment preference screen. Now you see we have 2 loans left. We are attacking loan 825. It's a subsidized Stafford, and the principal balance is $2,839.51. Current interest rate is 0, of course. We all know why. The regular interest rate was 3.4%. So this is in line with the debt snowball method, where you make your payments based on the next highest amount until you get to the top, the maxed out loan, instead of the interest rate. The debt avalanche would be, if I was doing that method, I would be attacking this one because this had the highest interest rate. But because they're all on a forbearance for now, I'm going to continue with the debt snowball. 100% of my $145 payment is going towards loan 825. And I'm going to click one time because as soon as this is paid off, I want to be sure I can manually go in and pay the next highest loan in line. Clicking this little box here, continue. And I'm choosing this one bank. And I'm going to pause so I can continue entering in the information, and we'll be right back. Payment confirmation success. I have submitted my payment for processing. It's $145. Right now, you can see that the balance is showing $8,550. And after this payment is processed, our new balance will be $8,700. So we are chipping away at this as much as possible. And that concludes this week's Transfer Tuesday. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Remember to share what you're doing towards Transfer Tuesday today, paying off debt, investing, saving for a down payment on the house. Whatever you're doing, whatever your goals are, please stick to them and remain consistent. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to its fullest. Bye, guys. Happy Transfer Tuesday.